Okay, hope all joined. If they are not joined, their problem. Today, see, once again, same as yesterday. It was 100% charge at 5 o'clock. So, 100% means more heating was there. So, I removed the charger. I thought around 7:30, I will put again charging. But what happened is, in the class, I forgot it. This is my mistake. No, this is my mistake only. I want to blame you. Next time I will be careful. Long classes, you once again remind me at around 7:30. Okay? Around 7:30 or 8 o'clock, once again remind me. Just a comment, charging. For long classes, 2 hours class, if 100 is there, no problem. This 4.5 hour class, see, usually after 2.5 or 3 hours, it becomes completely gone. Even I got frustrated today. See, today's class I wanted in a single compact manner. Now broken. Those who are serious, they will see. Those who want gimmicks or show off, let them not see. No problem. Okay. Now continue. So that number is, how you told wrong answer? No. It is how much? It is 842 point how much? 5032. Okay. 5032 is the answer. Later, M2. Fully clear? Fast. Fully clear or not? Is this fully clear? Fast tell me. Mic is off. Oh, yes. I have not plugged in the mic. Okay. No problem. Okay. I will put it. Sometime it happens, see, when you take the class, if you are serious about subject, these things happen. These things will not happen for a person who will take classes academically, just mechanically taking class. Those who are seriously involved in teaching, such things happens. Now, voice also okay now? Okay, now, next time I will be careful. Okay. Now, mic is okay, voice is okay. Okay, start. Is this number correct now? Fast. I am rubbing this one now. Is this number correct? Is that number 842.5032 correct? Okay, therefore remember, later I will put here now, this M2 value is anti-clockwise of how much? Later 842.5032 later. Okay, now option 1 is over. I will go to option 2 for lengthwise. Widthwise you try. You should try today. Today class will take little more time. You should try and tell the answer. Those who are serious will try. Okay, see. Now, correctly right. Option 2. Option 1 systematic. Option 2 is very easy. Or remember, option 2 is replacement system. Replacement principle. Clear now? Option 2 is replacement principle. Clear or not? Option 2 is replacement principle. Clear or not? Now I will tell you, for option 2 also same sketch required. This is not there. You don't find X bar in option 2. See, no X bar, nothing in option 2. Nothing like that. See, in option 2, what you do is, see, you first mark same system. See from this side and write everything. See now, no X bar, nothing. This is the centroidal axis. Centroidal axis. See, start. Now, what you do is replace this complete force system by a force P, and moment we don't know, assume clockwise. Moment M. This M later becomes what? Tell me. Now it is called M. But later when you go to footing, this M becomes what? M1 or M2. Now you call M. Later this M becomes M1 or M2. Later when you go to pressure calculation, this M becomes what? It becomes M1 or M2. That is not required. See, directly all these black values replaced by single force P and M. See, answer. Directly P equal to 1200 plus 1100 plus 1000 plus 900. Answer. Add all the loads. You get the total downward load. Answer. It is same. How much? P. 4200. Okay. Now, see, each load shifted here with the load and moment, or you find moment of the complete system about this point. So, M2 is algebraic sum of moments of given force system about centroidal axis. We will take clockwise positive. M2 equal to, see now, we will take clockwise, not M2, M equal to, see here, 1200 into, before that you write what is this distance and what is this distance. Tell the answer. If total length is 6.5 meter, tell half of length first. Tell half of length. If total length is 6.5 meter, half of length 3.25 meter. See correctly now. Lengthwise I am doing. Widthwise I will take rest. But I will not stop the class. I will put the sketch and walk out. I will give around 10 minutes time for you. You do by both the option. Okay, start. It is, see now, moment about this point. 1200 into, see, 3.25 minus 1.225. Why? See, this load into this distance. It is anti-clockwise. Right minus. Again, 1100 into 3.25 minus 1.3. This also anti-clockwise. And then plus, go that side. 1000 into 3.25 minus 1.35. 3.25 minus 1.35. That is clockwise. Then again clockwise. 900 into 3.25 bracket. 3.25 minus 1.275. These are the moment of the four loads. Means these four loads, when you transfer to CG, that much moment will come. Then directly plus 60, no into, minus 45, then plus 90, minus 50 will give net answer. Tell the answer. You have to give, tell the answer, 842.5032. You have to give 842.5032. 1 paisa, 2 paisa, no problem. Because of rounding of error. Answer. Minus 842.5. Okay, thank you. Minus 842.5. We consider the net moment in clockwise. That means your M, which later will become M2, equal to no sign 842.5 kilonewton meter. Tell the direction. We summed up the moment in the clockwise sense. Answer came negative. It is not equilibrium condition. What direction is summed up? Negative came. Means what? That much anti-clockwise is the moment. Oh, same as what we got what we got by basic approach? Tell yes or no, fast. Same as what we got by basic approach. Tell yes or no. Same as what we got by basic approach. Yes. Therefore, later your P is 4200. Lengthwise moment is anti-clockwise, which we will call M2 is 842.5 kilonewton meter. Fully clear? Okay. Now start. Now start widthwise. Widthwise. Now you go to side view. Remember, go to side view. How side view? Look from right side to left side, or look from this side. This side. Very, very important, because if you look from this side, this is anti-clockwise. Same, if you look from this side, it is becomes what? See, this is like this. This one. Sometimes what happens is, when you see the change the side, moment direction will change. So what you do is, no, here it's okay. Lengthwise, widthwise change will come. See, when you see lengthwise, see, when you see from here, this is anti-clockwise, or this is anti-clockwise. See from other side, it becomes clockwise. So see from this side. That is called, in ETABS&SAFE, I am calling it as our side view. Our side view is always like this way. Clear or not? So if I see from this side, put the same sketch. Then are you seeing BC first, or no, if I see from here, are you seeing B on the left side or C on the left side? Tell me. If I look from this way, left side I have to write B or C. Tell fast. You don't, or you can turn the sketch also. You can even turn the sketch. Okay, that also will do. I will turn the sketch. Okay, that also will do. See, to avoid confusion, remember, we are going for side view. Side view. See, side view you write here. See, side view is here. Looking from this side. So, this is the length. Tell the total length fast. It's here only. How much total length? No space to write once again. How much total length? You can write here only. How much answer? Total length how much? 5.6 meters. This point is B or A. Correct? See, this is BA line. That is C up to D. Okay, now see here. Column loads are vertical. See, load will not become horizontal. Whether you see front view or side view, load is vertical. But now I have to write the load like this, because I am seeing from here. Now tell me, if I see from here, leftmost, which I can see, this is 1.48, this is 1.365. I am seeing P2 first or P1 first. If I look from this side, I am seeing P2 first or P1 first. Bega. I am seeing from here P2 first or P1 first. P2. See, earlier with the help of my brother, I arranged the arrangement here. That is fully clear. Using 4 bottles, I have shown the column. Clear? So you will see P2 first here. Okay, P2. Your P2 equal to, what is the P2? 1000 kilonewton. And how much distance from here to here is 1 point, this distance 365 meter. Then little that side further, you can see second load. Scale is not required. That is called your P1. Your P1 slightly this side. How much it is? 1100 kilonewton. That distance from here is to 1.48 meter. Then you can see from that side. Tell me, if I see this way, from that side, I am seeing P3 first. From that side, which is first? I will see P4 first or P3 first. First. This is 1.2. This is 1.375. Which is the load which is nearer here? P3 or P4? First, P4. P4 equal to 1200 kilonewton. Or even if you are not doing by ETABS manually, at least if you know this one, you know when the software gives the pressure, how it calculated, you know it. See, somebody who programmed it, he would have done all this calculation. Okay. Then P2. Then we are seeing P3 further this side. Scale is not required. P3. This distance is 1.2 meter. This distance is 1.375 meter. Now moment, see. Now see widthwise moment. See here. P2 is here. P2 is here. Widthwise moment is see. Seeing from this side, it is clockwise 55. Clear? Seeing from this side, see, it is P2 moment for 1000. Correct? Yes, it is clockwise 55 kilonewton meter. And this column moment is seeing from this side, widthwise moment is anti-clockwise 75. Anti-clockwise 75 kn meter. P4 column, if you look from this side, is clockwise of 40 kilonewton meter. 40 kn meter. P3 column, if I look this way, it is anti-clockwise of 80 kilonewton meter. Tell me, fully clear or not? First, fully clear or not? Those who are serious, full clear. Others, no problem. Those who are serious, those who really want to learn subject, clear. Okay, start. First go for option 1. Go to option 1. That is basic approach. See, now for all these loads, we don't know, there is a resultant load here, say P, you can put directly 4200. Why? Whether you see from this side or that side, load is same. And we don't know from this side, it is acting at, say, X bar from here. Which point? From here X bar. Okay. Now, go for Varignone's theorem. Varignone's theorem. Take moment about this point, take clockwise positive. Moment about this point is, see, 1000 in plus 1000 into 1.365 plus 1100 into 1.48 plus all clockwise 1200 into how much total? Half of how much? Half of is, what is the half of length? Tell me. No. Into 5.6 minus 1.375 plus 1200 into 5.6 minus 1.2, then clockwise 55, anti-clockwise 75, anti-clockwise 80 and clockwise 40. This is the algebraic sum of moment. This should be equal to resultant load P of 4200 into, sorry, not X bar, you call Y bar, into Y bar. Tell the answer. This will tell you Y bar. Correct answer for Y bar. Full number. Tell me full Y bar number. No rounding off. Full Y bar number. Take moment about this point. You turn the calculator from that side. Clockwise positive. Y bar. ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Today you have to finish this one. Next class will be design of combined footing. 2.8608 2.8608 333. But one person I can't depend. At least one more person confirm it. At least one more person confirm it. So that I do not want wrong value later. I cannot depend on one person. Even myself, if I calculate, I may make mistake. So If another person confirms it, okay, we can proceed. Anyway, finally check is there. If the answer is not tallying, only possibility is calculation mistake. Why? Because you know my class. Wrong concept will not be told. Okay, what about others? Nobody telling answer. Somebody telling 3.162619. Ayo, now I have to calculate. Now see, you are forcing me to calculate. 1000 into 1.365, 1100 into 1.48 plus 1200 into 5.6 minus 1.375, then plus 1200 into 5.6 minus 1.2, then plus 55 minus 75 minus 80 plus 40, answer divided by 4200. It is 3.162. Yes, he is correct. One who given second answer is correct. It is 3.162.619048 meter. Okay. Now, what you do is, I can remove this one now. Why? Now space, there is no problem. Now there is no problem. I do not require any of the sketches. See, M1 I will tell you, I will forget later. 842.5032. Okay, M1, M2. Now I can remove the complete sketch, not required. Okay, now I will continue here now. That means, if I draw the center line here this way, if you mark centroidal axis here, total 5.6, each of them is 2.8 meter and 2.8 meter. You are looking from this side, a load will act at 3.16 means it will cross the center, it will come here. Your P is acting at y bar equal to y bar. So this distance is called eccentricity E, that E equal to your y bar minus 2.8. Tell the answer. It is y bar minus 2.8. Y bar minus 2.8 will give you 0.363626190476. Now this will be equal to an axial load P, and see a moment this way. Tell me, clockwise, from viewing from this side, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Tell me. Viewing from this side, when you view from this side, that moment, even though you write this way, when you turn, it will become what? When you turn, it will become M1. Clear now? When you turn this way, this moment will become M1. Yes or no? Fast. When you turn this way, this moment will become M1. Why? See, when you turn the sketch, you are writing this way. So here it is this way, means in the full plan, it is not your M2, it is M1. Yes, therefore, a moment M, which later will become your M1 in the side view, equal to P into eccentricity equal to whatever eccentricity you got into load is how much? 4200 equal to 1523 kilonewton meter. Yes or no? Fast. 1523 kilonewton meter. Correct or wrong? Fast, tell me. Answer. 1523. You are not answering. Is 1523 correct? 1523, you are not answering. Any problem? I think no problem. I can hear my own voice. 1 minute. See? I can hear my own voice. I don't know whether it is yes, what yes. Okay, leave it. Therefore, later, remember, later, your M1 equal to 1523, which in the side view will be clockwise. This M2 in the front view will be anti-clockwise. See, in the side view, that moment is like this. Even if you write this way, see, or you can do one thing. It is, you can make out, you write this way, no problem. Or actually it is, this way is what? This is your M1. Okay, this is over. Now do one thing. Go for easy approach. See, easy approach. Easy approach means replacement theory. Then nothing like this. What you do? Correctly mark the centroidal axis. Centroidal axis. Then each distance is how much? Total 5.6 means 2.8 and 2.8 meter. 2.8, 2.8. Complete force system replaced by a force P and assume that moment is clockwise M. This M later becomes M1. Later. Okay, start. Okay, I only will do it. Why unnecessary homework? Let me finish everything. Okay, start. I will remove this one now. Now, your P equal to waste of time calculating 4200 kilonewton. Okay, and your assumed M in clockwise direction later becomes M1 is take moment about this point. See here. Anti-clock, see from here, see, anti-clockwise of 1000 into 2.8 minus 1.365. Then once again anti-clockwise of 1100 into 2.8 minus 1.48. Then clockwise of 1200 into 2.8 minus 1.375. One more clockwise of 1000. Load what is this? Oh boy, I don't know which load is where. 1000. See, I somehow rubbed it. I don't know which load is where. 1000, 1100, 1000. What is the P3 value? What is P3 value? I don't know. By chance, if any load is interchanged, I am helpless. Then you should rectify it and do it. Agreed? If by chance, if any load is, I don't know how I wrote the load. One load is missing here. I have not entered the load. How much P3, tell me? How much P3? 900. Earlier, I had taken 900. I don't know. When I calculate X bar, have I taken 900? No. When I do X bar, have I taken 900? I don't know why it missed. No, during X bar, did I consider 900? If no means full gone. No. During Y bar calculation, did I consider 900 there? Without writing there, how I considered first of all? I don't know. One load only missing. Tell me fast. Earlier, when I did X bar, did I consider 900? Okay, I will check now. 1200. It is, see, minus over plus 900 into full gone, I think, most probably. Today I don't know what happened. 900 into 2.8 minus 1.375 plus 1200 into 2.8 minus 1.2, then plus clockwise 55 minus anti-clockwise 75, then minus 80, then plus 40. Tell the answer, fast tell the answer. In kilonewton meter, answer. If answer is not telling, only chance is your Y bar is wrong. What is the answer? Why? No answer. Calculate this one. Tell me the answer. 1.275. Yaudu? Oh, now it is. You should have told me earlier. See, now if you tell, I am helpless. Sorry. You should, if this is 1.275, it is too late now. Sorry. Now who will do all the calculation once again? No. I told you, any mistake is there, you should tell earlier. If you tell now, what I can do? I cannot go back and change everything now. See? That means you are not alert. If you tell now, it is not 1.275, if it is 1.275, I am helpless now. No, see, someone told 1.275 correct. Tell the answer. Tell what moment you are getting. Okay. I will check it now. Now tell me, what moment you are getting? Tell me first here. Tell me what moment you are getting here. Tell me first that one. I will check the answer later. Okay. I will give correction if requirement is there. You tell me first, what is the moment you are getting now? See, these all you should tell me earlier. If any number, I don't know, first of all, I cannot see that 900. I was wondering, without that 900 writing, how I put y bar? Okay. But you tell the answer now. For the present step, you tell the answer. See, I told you, only chance of mistake in my class is wrong entry of numbers, skipping some numbers, or print mistake. I repeatedly told, no technical mistake. See, you are not telling the number only here. You are wasting time. I asked you how much is this value. Then I can make out where is the mistake. 255.5 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು 255.5 okay. Sign plus or minus 255.5 plus okay 255.5 kilometer meter. Make a note. Earlier by basic approach we got 1523. Therefore, see, no need of getting panic. There is some calculation mistake. Therefore, we will do one thing now. We will once again revise it now. See, revise. Revised y bar. I will tell you. Revised y bar is, I will calculate, I will dictate as I tell. See. Once again correct it. 1000 into 1.365. I am correcting the previous option. That is basic approach. Plus equal to plus 1100 into 1.48 plus 900 into 5.6 minus 1.375 plus 1200 into, correct it now, bracket 5.6 minus 1.2, then plus 55 minus 75 minus 80 plus 40. That answer divided by 4200. Y bar is wrong. It is 2.86083333 meter. Okay. Now with that value, if I change here, this will become, E will become minus 2.8. Your E will become 0.06083333. With that value, your M will become P into E, 4200 into E. It is directly clockwise here. Tell the answer. 4200 into this number. Tell the answer. Remember, it is my class. My class, only one answer. Different answer cannot come in my class. That too in engineering mechanics, strength of materials, or structural analysis, or matrix method, finite element method, etc. Different answer cannot come. Design problem, so many times rounding up or approximation is there. See, RCC, some people take Xmax by D 0.48, some people take 0.479, center of gravity I take 0.42 XU, SP16 takes 0.416 XU, and I take Fy by 1.15 as 0.87. So RCC or steel or any design problem, slight fluctuation is possible, no problem. Why? Practical oriented. Basic subject in my class, two answer can never come. Two answer can never come. It is plus, no plus here, plus illa 255.5. 255.5. Oh, see, same answer, right? Therefore, conclusion now. If you see one, now do one thing. Now imagine it is isolated footing. Clear now? Now you forget that it is a combined footing or raft footing or isolated. You got a footing of contact with the soil. See, upper side what happens, we are not bothered. We want contact with the soil. Your L1 equal to 6.5 meter. Your L2 equal to class ಇದೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. L2 equal to, I forgot, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, 5.6 meter, and this is your axis 1, this is your axis 2, this is your axis 1. There is an axial load P, one moment lengthwise we got anti-clockwise, that is called M2. M2 equal to, we got 842.5 kilonewton meter. One moment from widthwise, from here it is this way clockwise, M1 of 255.5 kilonewton meter. Now A, B, C, D. Can you calculate the gross pressure at A, gross pressure at B, C and D? Just tell me, can you calculate or not? If you tell yes, I will close the class. I do not want answer. Now, can you calculate the gross pressure at the four corners? Tell fast. Okay, sorry, your answer is correct. Okay. See, Sridhar Murthy told earlier, correct. You have taken 900. We took a wrong load. See, I never get panic in my class if answer is not tallying. If answer is not tallying, I enjoy. I know there is some mistake. I will find out the mistake. So far, I never got trapped by such a value. Getting trapped in the class, worrying what to do. It never happened. It will not happen in future also. Okay. You calculate the pressure at the four corners, and maximum pressure should not exceed SPC. Minimum pressure should not be negative. That is the condition for isolated footing or combined footing of 2 columns or 4 columns. So any number of columns for pressure calculation, just P M1 M2. Just tell me, clear or not? For pressure calculation, P M1 M2. That's all. If multiple columns are there, resultant M1, resultant M2. Clear? Okay. Already 9:30 now. Next time onwards, be careful. When fold up our class is there, halfway through, at least around 7:30 or 8, just put a reminder for charging. Safer side. Today I was overconfident because I saw 100 there. Then I forgot that it is a 4.5 hour class. So just be careful. Just a reminder. Charging. Suddenly I will go and check it. If it is less than 40 or less than 50, I will not say good for charging. Anyway, I can judge. I do not want this disturbance. I hope today is the last disturbance for the class. In future, do not want such. See, it will spoil the mood. I wanted today's class in one compact form, but now broken. What to do? Leave it. Vidhi entire. Okay, thank you.